guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we have a lighting project to show you. We have to assemble a new set of lights. So I hope you're gonna enjoy the video, and remember to subscribe, give us a like, and enjoy the video. So with no further ado, let's get started. So before starting the project, we're gonna just switch off on the consumer unit the fuse, switch it off on the area where we'll be working. So it will be on the first floor of the house. I can see that the lights are off there, so we can now start unboxing and start the fitting. The light is a bit like a chandelier, so this is what we need to mount today. So this is how the light look. It's like a chandelier. We have to assemble all this in here. So let's get started with the assembly. For safety reason, because we're gonna fix the chandelier on the ceiling, we need to check that on the area where we're gonna draw, there is no electricity or metal. So we do a quick check. So in here we have a cable, so we won't draw anywhere here. You see here, everywhere here we have cables, so we won't draw there. We won't draw anywhere here, also here. So I will just mark where we can draw and where we cannot. So here we can, okay, so here we can draw. I will just mark there. Here also we can draw, so I will mark also here. Okay, we can draw also here. We can also draw here. So I just mark 4 points where we can draw. So we're gonna check again. So we can see here we cannot draw, but where I put the, yeah, where I put the dot is because of the pencil metal. So where I put the dot, there's no beep, so we can draw there. It's safe to do so. We can also draw here where I put the other mark. It's fine. And also here where I put the other mark is fine. So where I put the marks is fine to draw, and we're gonna do that next. We just check that there's no light coming through here, because we switch off on the component unit the fuse that is lighting this area. So we can check there is no light coming through, so it's safe to work here. So we're just gonna disassemble this one and then start mounting the new one. So there is no electricity here, and if you saw first part of the lighting on in our channel, you can check. I gave an explanation of the color of the wire. So check part 1 and you'll be able to see what these colors means. Before completing the assembling of this small piece of glasses, we're going to check first that the light is working, is lighting, by just putting one bulb in. And then, because sometimes when you do an assembly like this, at the end of it, it's not lighting. So we just check that it's lighting, and then we're going to continue fitting the small piece of glasses. So you can see that it's lighting. So we're gonna carry on working because we know it's working fine. But I'll show you the final product, how it look when all the piece of glasses of the chandelier have been assembled. So this was the last piece. We just did that. It looked a bit similar to the lighting we did for part 1. So if you haven't checked that, you can check it on in our channel. But now let's test the system. Let's put all the bulbs in and then light it up. Hello guys, thanks for watching the video. The project is now completed. I hope you enjoy watching it. So remember to subscribe, give us a like, and also hit the notification button so you won't miss any of our video. So thanks again for watching the video, and see you for the next one. Thanks. Bye.